I just built an AI system to help roofing companies nurture more of their leads, and this is what it looks like. Okay, let's say I'm a homeowner having issues with my roof, right? I go on Google Maps to look for a roofing company in my area that can help me. I search for roofing companies nearby, and since I want to learn more about one of them, I click on their website and look through it. Now that I'm happy with what I'm seeing, I decide to fill out the form on their website, giving them the details they need about my roofing problem. A few hours pass and I still haven't received a response. For the business owner, that's where this entire system I built comes in. The software I'm using to build this entire system is called GoHighLevel. You can use the link in the description to get a free 14-day trial. Now let's get into the video. The first thing I did was create this form with the relevant fields to place on the business owner's website so they can collect the necessary information from customers. We are collecting the person's name, phone number, email address, and a short description of the roofing issue they are experiencing. Once the form is submitted, the lead is automatically added to our CRM. Next, I set up the pipeline with 6 stages. We have the AI contacted stage, qualified stage, appointment book stage, estimate sent stage, won stage, and lost stage. This gives us a clear view of where every lead is in the sales process. Now let's go through the workflows. At the moment, there are only two workflows running this entire system. The first one is the AI contacted workflow, and this is essentially how it works. When someone submits the roofing quote form on the website, the workflow starts. A new lead tag is added to the contact and they are moved into the AI contacted stage of the pipeline. The system waits 5 minutes after the form is submitted so it doesn't look too robotic by replying instantly. An SMS is then sent to the lead, letting them know we've received their request, introducing the business and asking a simple question so we can start qualifying them. The lead is then handed over to the AI conversation bot. The AI's job isn't to sell roofing services. Its job is to simply qualify the lead and book a roof inspection. I configured the AI to act as a receptionist for a roofing company. I give it a real personality that feels like a real appointment coordinator, along with additional instructions that its main goal is to get qualified leads to book a roof inspection. The AI asks one question at a time and guides the prospect through a natural conversation. First, it finds out what's going on with their roof. Then it asks a few qualifying questions to better understand the situation. To help the AI know exactly how to handle each conversation, I give it three main branches to follow. We have the timeout branch, the replied positive branch, and the replied negative branch. Whenever a lead sends a text message, the AI checks which of these three branches it falls into. Let's start with the timeout branch. This branch controls how long the AI should wait for a reply after sending a message. In this case, I set it to wait 5 hours. If 5 hours have passed without a reply, the AI sends 3 follow-up messages over the course of about 3 weeks, checking in to see if they are still interested in getting a roofing inspection. If those 3 weeks have passed and the lead still hasn't replied, the system tags them as no response and moves them to the lost stage of the pipeline. That's what the timeout branch does. Now, if the lead replies, the AI checks whether it's a positive or negative response. A positive response is when the lead shows interest by saying things like, I'm available, yes, I need a roof replacement, or simply answering the AI's questions. Basically, as long as they are engaging with the conversation, the AI continues asking questions to qualify them and determine whether they are good fit for a roof inspection. This continues until they are ready to schedule one. The AI then qualifies the lead and moves them to the qualified stage in the pipeline. After that, it guides them through booking a date and time for their inspection using the appointment booking bot. Once the appointment is booked, the system moves the lead from the qualified stage to the appointment book stage and sends an internal notification to the business owner saying something like XYZ just booked a roof inspection for this date and time. The appointment is also automatically added to the business owner's calendar. If the qualified lead doesn't book an appointment within 24 hours, they are moved to the appointment not book stage, where the business owner can personally follow up with a phone call. Lastly, we have the replied negative branch. This is triggered when the lead is no longer interested in the service. They might say things like, I found someone else, I'll get back to you, or never mind. The AI sends one final message, thanking them for their time and letting them know they are welcome to reach out again if they ever need help in the future. It then tags them as not interested, notifies the business owner about the conversation, and moves the lead to the lost stage of the pipeline. And that's everything this AI lead follow-up system does. Now, if a lead books an appointment but doesn't show up or isn't available when the appointment time comes, they receive a text message asking if they'd like to reschedule. The system then waits 24 hours for a reply. If the lead replies with another question instead of rescheduling, the AI answers the question and guides the conversation back towards booking another appointment. If they don't reply or reschedule after some time, they receive another reminder. If that still doesn't work, the system tags them as appointment no show and moves them to the lost stage in the pipeline. Now let's test the entire system. I'm going to submit the form as a new lead. The contact is immediately added to the CRM, and after a few minutes, the AI sends the first text message. Okay, guys, I just realized that I haven't set up the phone system for this account, so I wasn't able to receive the SMS message the AI sent. This is basically what it looks like. So I guess I'll have to end the demo here. So that's how this entire AI lead follow-up system works. If you're a service business owner and you'd like a system like this built for your business, book a free discovery call using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.